How to get multi-snap on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-snap on Snapchat so you can record and send multiple snaps at once. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your phone and make sure you're logged in. You'll land on the camera screen, which is where multi-snap works. Tap the camera icon at the bottom. If you're not already on the camera screen, press and hold the big capture button, the circle at the bottom, to start recording a video. Keep holding the button. Once the first snap is recorded, you'll notice a glowing circle appear. This means multi-snap mode is active. You can record up to 6 snaps in a row. After recording, you'll see all your snaps combined up at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Snap to edit it, add filters and lenses, or insert text, stickers, or emojis. Once you're happy with your snap, tap the yellow arrow in the bottom right corner. Select the friends or groups you want to send them to. Tap the blue arrow to send, and that's it. Now you know how to use multi-snap on Snapchat to capture and send multiple snaps effortlessly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.